Meteorologist Bobby Deskins is here. Oh, Bobby, you have the tropics behind you.
And that's why I'm here.
Quite the contrast.
Left a little bit early yesterday to take advantage of it. We have less wave action out there today. The swells come down, but we still have a rip current risk. So if you're headed out to the beach, please be very careful. There were a lot of rip currents out there yesterday. Let's start with the tropics, because that swell out there is actually from Francine. Right? Francine was out here in the western Gulf of Mexico spinning with a lot of wind, and it takes that long for that swell to get over here. Looks like it peaked yesterday. Francine is now falling apart over Arkansas right now. We're going to watch this area. 30% chance of development, especially late Saturday night and into Monday. Sunday night into Monday, trying to drift up into eastern North Carolina there. 30% chance. This is Invest 94L, only a 20% chance, and the models kind of lose it somewhere in here. That is our latest tropical storm, Tropical Storm Gordon. It's been a depression, TD7, but it became Gordon this morning. So let's start here. They're already getting rain, and the atmosphere does this. It tends to repeat itself. That is similar to what happened in eastern Louisiana last week, right? Then they get the hurricane to come through. This is already moistening up the ground there. We're going to get a weak system to develop and then move on shore again, probably Monday into Tuesday. Here's our forecast model as you go in through Sunday into Monday morning. Yeah, something trying to develop here and then eventually go in. I don't think it's really until we get until Monday night and Tuesday. This is Gordon. And look at the numbers on, number one, it's way out here, right? And it does look like it will recurve. But look at the numbers on this. Barely getting 45-mile-per-hour winds. In fact, that's the highest forecast. That's for later today. So this is going to really struggle. The forecast model, some of them just bring it to the west and it just falls apart. And that's an indication that they think it's going to be very weak. Some of the little bit stronger ones do try and recurve it, but there's not much of that. So looks like we're okay as far as that goes. Now,